Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fried scallop with asparagus. So I have 12 pieces of baby scallop, 250 grams of asparagus, carrot, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots. Just a tip, if you buy the asparagus that is not quite fresh or is slightly dehydrated, you can cut off the stem like this and then soak them in the water for about half an hour. They should become alive and fresh. For this one, it's also not quite fresh when it comes, so I just soak it in the water so it become like quite fresh. So when you cook this kind of asparagus, it will be nicer and it's crunchy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the asparagus. To cut the asparagus, normally, oops, it's broken, it's very crunchy. Normally the bottom stem here is quite hard, and I will just remove the skin here, like that. Okay. So once we remove the skin like that, it will not be so hard, so we can also use this part of the stem. And for this part, it's already very soft and very young, so we no need to remove the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut about 1.5 inch length for all of this. We have the asparagus, about 1.5 cup. For the scallop, right, this is a frozen fresh scallop. Once it's thawed, they have a bit of water inside, so I'm going to just take out and remove the water and go and rinse the scallop first before we cook. Now I'm going to season it with salt. Just a sprinkle of salt, not too much, very little. And I'm going to turn it the other side. So really a pinch of salt on the scallop. So now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in half of the onion oil. We're going to sear the scallop. Put it in one by one. We're just going to cook it for about 1 minute on each side. Okay, 1 minute. So I'm going to turn it. Going to wait for another 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute. Scallop is cooked now, and I'm going to take it out from the pan. So we're going to leave it here. So in the same pan, we still have a bit of oil and a nice flavor of the scallop. I'm going to switch on the heat again and put in the balance of the oil. Now we're going to cook the vegetable. I'm going to start with carrot because carrot take longer time to cook. And now I'm going to put in the asparagus. And put in the oyster sauce. Give it a stir. Before the vegetable is cooked, if it's too dry, you can add in just 1 tablespoon of water and give it a stir. After add in the water, you can just continue to cook for about 1 or 1.5 minutes. If you want it nice and crunchy, but if you want it softer, you can continue to cook slightly longer for about 2 to 3 minutes. But for this one, I'm going to cook it just about 1.5 minutes. So I'm going to switch off the heat. And now we're going to add in the scallop. Just give it a stir. Now we can add on the crispy fried shallots for a nice fragrance. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's eat! Oh, who don't love this scallop? Asparagus. So I'm just going to break it a little bit. A little bit of gravy. And crispy fried onions. Wow, it is so delicious, very tasty, very flavorful. The scallop is cooked perfectly, it's soft and tender. The vegetable is still crunchy and the sauce is very flavorful with the nice fragrance of fried shallots. When eat together with rice, it's really good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.